Hey guys, we're down here at Swan Lake, as I like to call it, and it's a beautiful day. It's a bit warm, but I have never seen so many birds, and they're all just sitting around. There's some ducks over there with the old bin chickens, the ibis. Some more over there. That looks like seagulls and the other wading birds, and we've just got some more over here. A lot of these ibis. Let's go for a walk down here. Try not to disturb them. Man, there's hundreds of seagulls over the other side of the lake there. I believe it is a bird sanctuary. That's what it was designed for, so that would make sense. But yeah, never seen so many. Okay.